Welcome to Shantou Quanfangwei Machinery Co., Ltd. Our company integrated in research and development, design, production, after-sales one-stop service. Our workshop has a variety of professional production of spare parts equipment: milling machine 4, lathe machine 2, cutting machine 3, polishing machine 1. The company mainly produces and sells automatic lipstick assembly machine, filling machine, lotion pump head assembly machine, emulsion tube assembly machine, emulsion pump head assembly machine, compact punching nail machine, vacuum recording machine, and other types. We use environmental protection film wrapped and wooden frame structure fixed to ensure that the mechanical transport is not easy to collision, more security. Thank you very much for knowing more about our company. Wish you a pleasant life.